Hello everyone, this is Soumya and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to make Mangalore restaurant style fish rava fry. Mangalore being a coastal region is very well known for its seafood dishes, and fish rava fry is an absolute culinary gems from Mangalore. So let's get started. Firstly, we will make a marination for the fish fry. I have taken around 2 spoonfuls of rice flour here. You can alternatively also choose corn flour. Then I am adding around 4 teaspoons of red chili powder here. Usually when we make fish rava fry, it is advisable to keep the spice levels, the tartness and the salt a little extra, because when we coat the fish with rava later, all these get slightly milder. Then I am adding a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of turmeric and salt as per taste. I am squeezing the juice of one whole lemon here. Alternatively, you can also choose to add vinegar instead of this. Mix it thoroughly, adding little water at a time. If it gets too runny, then the masala won't adhere to the fish. So make sure it's creamy so that it coats the fish properly. And also, as I already mentioned, make sure to keep the spiciness, tartness a little extra for rava fry. Mix it thoroughly and get it to a creamy consistency by adding adequate amount of water. Here I have taken 3 mackerels. You can choose to take any fish of your choice. I have made deep gashes into them and I am coating each fish thoroughly with the paste that we just prepared. If we had made the paste too runny, then it would not stick to the fish properly. So make sure to keep it of a creamy consistency. Coat each of the fish nicely with the masala. Let it sit in the marination for 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on how much time you have. I have taken 1 cup of rava or semolina here. Preferably take the finer variety of rava. I am adding around a teaspoon of rice flour. This is an optional step, but it adds an extra crunch. I am adding some salt as per taste and some red chili powder here so that the coating doesn't taste bland and it has some flavor as well. Mix it thoroughly. Then coat each of the marinated fish with this rava mixture and set it aside. I've kept some oil for frying, so let's start frying the fish. The oil should be really hot before dropping in the fish, so I'm checking by dropping the rava and it's sizzling, so it's really hot enough, so we can start frying the fish. Drop in the fish one by one, do not overcrowd the oil. Do not touch the fish up to a minute till it sets, otherwise it might break apart. After a minute, add some hot oil on the top to let the upper portion set. And then you can flip it over. Flip it over carefully so as not to disturb the coating on top. The fish has fried thoroughly on both sides, so remove it on a kitchen towel. So the Mangalorean style fish rava fry is ready. Do try it out and be rest assured that it will taste absolutely amazing, and do let us know in the comment section about how you felt about it. If you liked the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.